Everyone, today is kind of an interesting video for me because I've never done these before, even though I've made much bigger purchases. So today what I'm going to be doing is a Ulta / Sephora haul. I'm an average gal, so I didn't buy a ton of stuff, but in the past, I remember 2 years ago, I literally bought $1,000 worth of stuff at Sephora. And yeah, that was really ridiculous. But yeah, so this time around I spent maybe about $300, maybe $400. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of show you what I bought, and all of the stuff I have already used. So I will also give kind of like a rundown of how I feel about the products. Okay. So in total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products. And a couple of these are repurchases of things that I ran out of and wanted more of. And then a couple of the other things, they're brand new and I'm trying them out. So I guess the first thing that I'm going to pick up is going to be this Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balms. The box looks like this. So the Farmacy story: unique farm-grown botanicals define pharmacy beauty, which fuses age-old wisdom with cutting-edge technologies, creating gentle formulations for fresh, radiant skin. This is made in Korea. Okay, I didn't even know. Okay, but this contains naturally derived ingredients. It's free of parabens, free of formaldehydes, free of artificial coloring, and not tested on animals, which is why I decided to buy this. So I've bought cleansing balms in the past, and one that I really did enjoy was the Boscia one, but Boscia is not cruelty free, so I had to find something that was better than that. So I did buy this instead after doing research, and this is what this looks like, and inside has a little tray and a little spatula, so you don't have to like dig your fingers in there. And underneath that, this is green. So I have used this, and I actually really love it. So it's like a hard oil, kind of like the way coconut oil works. When it's at a certain temperature, it'll be solid, but when you rub it in your fingers, it'll melt. So this is the same way. It's a solid until it rubs through your fingers and touches your face, and then it turns into like a milky oil, and it gets your makeup off so amazingly. Okay, so next I'm going to stick to like the big boxes. So I caved and I bought the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Came in a box like this. Inside it looks like this, and it unscrews. Unscrews. And this is what the cream looks like inside. This is a very extensive and huge cap, not very necessary. So it's a good amount of product, I would say. It is 8.1 fluid ounces. It does last 24 months. So this is infused with all-powerful guarana extract. So this is a fast-absorbing all-over body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. And I've seen about 1 million YouTubers rave about this, so I decided to pick it up. It smells heavenly, and I do love how nicely it dries in. It doesn't leave you like oily and sticky, but it like really moisturizes your skin and makes it nice and supple. Love it. I will start being bougie and keep repurchasing this because I am to the point where I'm probably not going to be able to live without it. So I also decided to pick up another Drunk Elephant item. This is the Umbra Tinte Physical Daily Defense Protection Quadratine. I don't know. This is a SPF 30, 20% zinc oxide, which is amazing, and that means that it's going to be really good at being a sunscreen and protecting you. So this is the tinted one. I wanted to pick something that would have the least amount of flashback, and this was one that Stephanie Nicole recommended in her sunscreen video, and I wanted to pick it up. So this is what the inside looks like, and all the prices I will be listing down below. A lot of these items are fairly expensive. Usually I will buy the more expensive items when the sales do come up just to get a little bit of money off, but that is definitely when I kind of splurge on items. I did pick up 2 hair products. I'm like jumping all over the place, but I guess I'm just gonna go to hair products. So I did pick up the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. This repairs the bonds in your hair, and that's kind of what makes them nice and silky and not frizzy and kind of just manageable. So this is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So use once per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel, dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends, and hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo and condition per usual. Okay, so I would definitely say use this on wet hair so you don't use a lot of this at one time. I have not used this yet, but I will be, but I've just heard amazing things, and people use the salon grade when they're bleaching people's hair to not destroy it, so I'm really excited for this. Next hair product, I did pick up the BUMBLE Pret-a-Powder Tresse Invisible Dry Shampoo. I love this stuff. But it is not cruelty free, which does make me upset, so I don't really know what I'm going to be doing with this. Next, I picked up a new foundation because literally I have one foundation out of all of them that I have that's cruelty free, which is the Cover FX Oil Free Foundation. So I wanted to pick something up, but this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 20. I got it in the shade Natural 11, and I will be doing a final review on this once I've worn it enough times. It is what I have on my skin right now. Then I picked up this Little Barn Apothecary Bamboo and Fresh Mint Clearing Mist. It's sustainably sourced bamboo, wild spearmint, and organic licorice root. So the box is somewhere over yonder. I have been using this. This is more of a, I wanted a toner, and it was like absolutely difficult finding a cruelty-free good toner. I don't know why that does not exist. I mean, I did a very short kind of last-minute research on this, but I just kind of ended up walking around Ulta and seeing what is cruelty free, and this was one. And I really also like the sustainably sourced bamboo and wild spearmint and organic licorice root, which makes me happy. I like companies that are kind of looking at things from this perspective. I have been using it. It's less like a toner and more of like a mist on your face, which it does say clearing mist, but it does get some stuff off and it makes your skin feel clean, but it doesn't strip it, which is really nice. So I'm excited to keep using this, and I know that all the ingredients in here are good for my skin. So even if this does like stay on the skin and it soaks in a little bit, which it's supposed to, it's going to be really good, and it's going to hopefully make a difference in my skin. And then we are down to 3 products. So I picked up 2 lip products and a mascara. My friend got me hooked on the Marc Jacobs Noir, so I finally picked this baby up. I've been hesitating like 3 times to pick this up. I'd be like, I'm gonna get it, and then I'm like, no, it's too expensive. But I finally ended up getting it. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's so dark, it's so black. This is what the wand looks like. It did just get all over me. You do have to really wipe down the wand before you go and apply it to your lashes, otherwise you're going to look like a crazy disaster. But if you kind of wipe the product away, it is so buildable. It makes your lashes look so good. I also like mixing this with like a lighter mascara, so go in with like a more natural that's going to really separate, and then this for drama and length. Ooh, perfect. Love it. Definitely up there with Better Than Sex mascara. Then I picked up 2 lip colors. So one, well actually both were repurchases. I'm obsessed with nude colors, and it's really hard for me to find nude colors. So I did repurchase the Pure Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is this like pinky nudie color. It just looks so good on my skin tone. And then I also picked up the BUXOM Centerfold, and I also don't know if BUXOM is cruelty free. It may or may not be. It says this is made in Canada. It lasts for 12 months. The color is Centerfold, and it is the lightweight liquid lipstick, so it's wildly whipped. So this doesn't actually dry down to a matte formula, so it's really comfortable. I wanted to put this on to show you. The reason why I repurchased this is because I could not find a peachy nude for my freaking life. They're either too nudie, too orange, too brown, too mauvey. Like, I just could not. I tried so many different brands, like, and it just, I kept thinking back to this one. I had a tiny sample, and I used it on a bride, and then I kind of let her keep it just because it was like a tiny sample, and I was like, you're gonna need to reapply this, so just take it, like, I'll figure it out. And for the longest time, I didn't feel like I needed an orangey nude, but with my hair being this color that it is right now, I feel like the orange nudes, like the peachy kind of nudes, look really good. So I was like on a hunt, and this is like the perfect mix between a mauve, a peachy, an orangey, and a pinky nude. Maybe I already said pinky, I don't know, but it's just like the perfect combination. It's not, it's just perfect, and I don't know how I lived so long without it. Although Sephora doesn't sell the Centerfold color, only Ulta does, so I don't know, they're weird, and they're not at Ulta stores, they're only online. It's a kind of an older type of liquid lipstick, and maybe it just doesn't sell well in stores. I don't know, but I like it. It does not dry down matte, so if that's a problem for you, you won't like this, but it's super comfortable. Length of wear wise, it's not matte, so you're gonna have to reapply this, but I like the wand. I like that it's not like an actual lipstick because those tend to be pretty hard for me. So the last product that I have is going to be this little baby right here. I have 3 of these Stila Glitter and Glows, but I wanted one more. I wanted the Bronze Belle. I am obsessed. Like, this is such a stunning color. So delicious. This has changed the glitter game beyond any comparison. I don't even mess around with like loose glitters anymore. This is just 2 birds with 1 stone. You don't have to put down the glue or the glitter, just chuck it on and it's perfect. That is all of the stuff that I got. All of the prices that I paid for all these will be listed down below. I will also link out to all of these. I'm obsessed with all those items. I would recommend all of them to everybody. And so I would definitely recommend, if you've been interested in any of those products that I listed or talked about, go do it, go purchase it. You will not regret it. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this little haul that I have for you, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.